Tao sa likod mo.
Pangina. Ay, gago na turn niya ako tol. Gago may mga ano, gago, pinagtripan pa eh. Nasa taas ba yung loadout? Bumaba. Ayun, bumaba. Nice one.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map.
Ba't tatlo pa rin yung ano dito?
Huwag mo nang isipin. Hindi ko nakuha kasi pinabinaril ka. Palagay
okay.
mo isipin ko pa yun, hindi kita matutulungan.
Sige, sige.
Tropa kita tol eh.
Ang.
Nasaan na yung loadout?
Nandiyan na yung zone, nandiyan na yung zone. Tingnan mo ka? Shit. May tao dito ah, nirarat tayo.
Pwede naman daw eh. Hindi naman pinagbabawal eh.
Down ka na boss.
Dami to tao sa gilid mo boy!
May tao pa. Gago, yun lang.
Tanga na, tropa kita boy.
Shit, makakasurvive tayo boss. Takbo! Sword, switch to melee, switch to melee. Fuck! Ah!
Ang ina mo! Ang ina mo! Wala kang kwenta kaibigan! Kalaban sa kanan. Wala ko loadie, wala ko loadie.
Bilis din ang titiki ng FFAR ah.
Uy, sulit mo.
Ay, gago naka-load yan ah. Gago masakit din yung ano, ay kilo. Hindi, bug to, FFAR to ah.
Nagkakaroon pagkalabas sa talikod.
Down, down.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac
Boss,
map.
inubusan sila boss ah.
Wala pa loadie? Ano yung loadie?
Wala.
Enemies are dropping
Wala akong loadout, wala akong loadout.
Watch the skies.
Nawala yung loadie ano?
Drill kit. Sakin kita.
Ayun, nakita ko na dito, dito.
Wow, 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 wow.
Guys, get your specialist. Get your specialist, guys. Pink, pink, get your specialist.
Oh, okay.
Patay ka, boss.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting.
Okay, I'm back.
Uy, gago, may tao. Patay. Bang.
Squad mate, redeployed. Well done.
Switching max.
Mark remaining
Squad
operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Enemy soldiers incoming. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the
Tangin na tol yung Juggernaut pala, hindi mo pa na-experience no.
Diba?
Ano yun? Heavy armor na ano, naka... Yung Gatling gun. Hindi ka nang hirap. Wait, putangin na tao!
Okay na.
Enemy
Pinabay ko na,
soldiers
boss.
in that squad.
Oh,
Are you on?
Down.
nice one. Ito po.
Enemy nearby.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV is online.
Ba't mo kasi pinapa-display mo
Enemy
yung ulo
advanced
mo?
UAV overhead.
Kalaban sa akin.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Ilan yan?
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Kill confirmed.
That's 10.
We've located.
Last up identified.
Down.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad
Switching
on your
max.
tac map.
Taking
Get
fire.
Hindi ko makita kung sino mabara sa akin.
Enemy mark. Semtex incoming. On up.
Hirap niyang barilin ah.
Enemy destroyed.
How'd you feel?
Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Ang kulit oh. Oh,
Be advised. Still have squad mates outside the base.
snipe somewhere.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Fire failed down. Prices back to normal. Enemy UAV overhead.
Uy, kukunin ko yung TR to ko. Any enemy nearby? TR2.
Marks remaining
Clean shot,
operators
through and
from that
through.
squad. Hunt them down.
Ano, push ba tayo dito?
Dito ako. Dito na ako. Nasa taas na ako. Uy.
Sige, sige.
Tawag yan, anak.
No longer active. This is for keeps.
Ano
Enemy
laban
UAV
dito,
is
tao?
online. Enemy advanced UAV is active.
Saan?
Sentry turret
Sa
available.
control center. Pa-final circle na pala oh.
Coming. Ano yung turret?
Ano itatayo? Parang ano, auto, ano. Uy, gago, ang sakit niya.
Squad switching
Top
mags.
5.
Enemy nearby?
Tanginang, swerte naman na ito, gago.
Get your squad to the safe zone. Leave no one behind.
Nakuha niya yung specialist ko, putangin na niya. Bas na na.
Squad still operating.
Ay, wala na palang gulag.
Gago na. Shucks.
You're in the top 3. Don't let up now.
Move.
Swerte
Kuha
niyan,
yung
gago.
specialist ko.